Hi everyone, thank you for being with us today. I'm going to show you this amazing new product we have here. It's called the A320 Rolling Tote. So first of all, the name kind of gives it away a little bit maybe. A320, a very famous type of Airbus aircraft, very much used today in the whole world, has a certain size for the seats and limited space, you know, under the seats and so on and so forth. So this product was made for several reasons. It's what you call an underseat rolling tote. It has a certain dimension, which is specifically mentioned here, 45 by 36 by 20 centimeters. That means that it is already compatible with many budget airlines, such as, for example, EasyJet, but it's actually very convenient for any type of travel. I will explain in a moment why, but this product is really very, very handy. So we've made it especially for several reasons. First of all, because there is sometimes a limit on how big you can take with you as a hand luggage, especially if you don't want to pay extra. But there are three more other reasons. The other three reasons is, first of all, when you reach your aircraft, sometimes you get on board, all the drawers are already full, you can't find a place for your suitcase. Well, no worries. This bag was made especially so you can tuck it in front of your seat. Second reason is many people, especially if they're aged people or simply find it difficult to lift the bag and put it all the way at the very top of their, of the drawer above them. Well, no worries. You don't need to lift it up. You don't need to ask anybody anymore for help. You can just put it under the seat in front of you. But the main reason is also because when you travel, you very much want to have access to your different personal belongings, your computer, your tablet, your drinks, your food, your sandwich, whatever. Well, it's very easy access. We're going to see how we're going to do it. So here's a little review. We're going to do a little tour of this bag. So first of all, we can see you have a small pocket on one side. On the second side, you have a nice big pocket. You can fit a very large water bottle, or in my particular case, I like to carry my thermos, which I will fill up in the airport with either cold or hot water. It's also much more ecological than throwing away plastic bottles. Then, following that, on the back side, you can see here we have the wheels, and inside this area is a telescopic handle. This telescopic handle is 1.05 meters of height. That means that when you carry it behind you, you're not going to be knocking it against the back of your feet. So that's already very convenient. Furthermore, you can see there's a little here Velcro pocket. You can just open it up and then you can slide this bag on top of another suitcase if you have another larger carry-on or any checked luggage beforehand, fit them all together. Then we're going to check out the front side of this bag. What do we have here? Well, we have, first of all, the front pocket. The front pocket is made for containing small items such as your phone, or in my particular case, I like to put my portable recharger inside it, or you can put your headphones, your pens, cards, whatever you'd like, cables for your computer, etc., or your phone. Second pocket here, the middle one, is the pocket that allows you to have a quick access to your tablet or your computer. This particular computer pocket is very interesting because it is up to 17-inch, so you can take a really large computer even inside this bag. Last but not least, we call it a fourre-tout in French, which means put everything inside a kind of bag. Why? Because you can see at the very top we have an unusual opening. This is an opening that allows you to put anything you'd like inside it. Today, just for the experiment, what we did is we fitted inside this bag 8 shirts inside this bag, which is not even full, and we still have some extra space. We also have here a bag big enough to contain easily 8 t-shirts or any other object you'd like to put in it, and then another 6 or 8 underpants and socks. So you can pretty much use this bag for a trip of up to 1 week. You can see there's loads of space in it. It's very handy. Last but not least, when you carry it, of course, you can carry it by the handle, you can carry it through the telescopic handle, or you also have a shoulder strap that comes with it, so you can just carry it on your shoulder. Fantastic product, great value for money. I recommend it very much, and I hope this will be the product for you. So, hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye-bye.